This is a Roco HO scale Deutsche Bundesbahn Br186 in the traffic red. Just come up on a clearance offer, so I've got it at a nice price. Lots of details. The handrails are all on. There are some wipers in the parts bag. They can be fitted if you wish. Usual Roco construction, so you've got the NEM pockets at each end with the standard European hoop coupling. Centrally mounted motor, driving all 4 axles. Factory fitted sound decoder. I think it's Zima that make it for them. And there's 22 functions. Also got the LED directional lights there. There is a high beam. Curve squeal. And there's one here that says it's an arriving freight train. Let's have a look. And then the usual sound effects mute function there. So plenty of things to have a look at.